Ever felt that pit in your stomach? You know, the one where payday feels like a distant mirage and that unexpected bill is staring you down? Or maybe your car decided to play a dramatic solo breakdown right when your wallet decided to go on vacation. We've all been there. That moment when you're searching for a financial lifeline, something to bridge that gap. And in today's digital age, apps like Beforepay pop up, promising a quick financial boost. But here's the burning question, the one that keeps you scrolling. Can you actually get denied? Let's cut through the noise, shall we? This isn't just about clicking a button and magically getting cash. It's about understanding the system, the algorithms, and the real-world factors that determine whether you get that financial helping hand or a digital thumbs down. Beforepay, like many financial services, isn't just handing out money willy-nilly. They have a system, a set of criteria that they use to assess your eligibility. Think of it like a digital handshake, but instead of a firm grip, they're checking your financial pulse. Now, you might be thinking, I get paid regularly, I'm good, right? Well, it's not always that simple. Beforepay looks at a range of things. They're peering into your income stability. Are you a consistent earner? Do your paychecks come in regularly, and are they predictable? They're also taking a peek at your spending habits. Are you managing your finances responsibly, or are you living paycheck to paycheck with a bit of chaos thrown in? And then, there's the elephant in the room, your bank account history. They want to see how you handle your money. Overdrafts? Frequent low balances? These can raise red flags. It's like showing up for a job interview with a crumpled resume and a stain on your shirt. Not the best first impression. But it's not all doom and gloom. Even if you've had a few financial hiccups, it doesn't automatically mean a flat-out denial. Beforepay, like many similar platforms, is trying to assess risk. They want to ensure that lending you money isn't going to put them, or you, in a precarious position. So, they're looking for patterns, for consistency, for signs of responsible financial behavior. Here's a crucial point, just because you've been denied once, doesn't mean it's a lifetime ban. Your financial situation can change. Maybe you've secured a more stable job, or you've started budgeting more effectively. Reapply after a while, and you might get a different answer. And let's be real, sometimes, the denial isn't even about you. It could be a technical glitch, a system update, or even just a high volume of applications. It's not always personal. So, can you get denied for Beforepay? Absolutely. But it's not a mystery. It's a calculated decision based on your financial footprint. Understanding this footprint and taking steps to improve it can make all the difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.